Hi, in this session we will see some more problems on basic operations on signals, working examples. See, the question is like this: sketch the following signals. I have given 6 questions. So let us solve these 6 questions. Let us see how to do this, how to answer these 6 questions. So first question, all are very simple based on simple mathematical operations. Now first one, u of t minus u of t minus 2. So as we have, very easy to answer this question. First draw the unit step signal. As you know how to draw unit step signal. Unit step signal is a signal which maintains constant amplitude of 1 from t is equal to 0 onwards. Subtract somewhere, locate t is equal to 2 somewhere, and draw another unit step signal which starts at t is equal to 2, which starts at t is equal to 2 and of an amplitude 1. So you can see that t is equal to 2. So let us subtract both of them. So this is u of t signal. So this one is u of t minus 2. So let us subtract these two signals. Let us see what is the answer for this. For 1 minus 0. So you can see that in between 0 and 2, during this interval 0 to 2, its value is 1, its value is 0. So therefore during the interval 0 to 2, 1 minus 0, the amplitude is 1. So from t is equal to 2 onwards, 1 minus 1, 0. So therefore the amplitude is 0. So this is your signal u of t. This is the answer, u of t minus u of t minus 2 versus t. The amplitude of the signal is 1. So the answer is a pulse. The answer is a pulse. So let us see the second one. What is the second question? Pi of t minus 1 by 2. So that means first we have to draw pi of t and shift pi of t towards right side by 1 by 2 units. As we have seen, this is the time shifting operation. So first let us draw pi of t. As you know that pi of t is a rectangular signal which is extending from minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. That means the pulse width is 1, of amplitude 1. So this is pi of t versus t. So now what we have to do, we have to shift this signal towards right by 1 by 2 units. So what is t minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So t minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0, which makes t is equal to 1 by 2. That means add 1 by 2 to the scale. So therefore first what we have to do, first we draw the original signal. First draw the original signal and then add 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 it will become 0. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 it will become 1. So make the y-axis here. So this is y-axis here. So this amplitude is 1. So this one is t. You can see that clearly this waveform is moved towards right side by a half unit. So this is this way. This is the answer for pi of t minus 1 by 2. So pi of t minus 1 by 2, which is shifted right side by 1 by 2 units. Now let us see the third question. Let us see the third question. What is the third question? See pi of t minus 1 by 2 plus pi of t minus 1. We have to add two rectangular signals carefully. So for this purpose, first what we have to do, so first separate this terms, that is t by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus pi of t minus 1. First let us draw the rectangular pulse once again. So first let us draw the rectangular pulse. What is our rectangular pulse? Pi of t definition. So denominator is 1, that means it is extending from minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2 of amplitude 1, as you know that. So what we have to do, first draw pi of t by 2 minus 1 by 2 diagram, and later below draw pi of t minus 1, then add both of them, and that will be the answer. Let us see first one. So let us draw the first one. I am drawing the first one. First shift the signal, because pi of t by 2 minus 1 by 2, first do shifting operation and scaling operation. So therefore first shift towards right by 1 by 2 units. First I am doing this. So first draw the pulse. So it will become 0 to 1. If we add 1 by 2, it is moved to 0. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will become 1 and multiply it by 2. So therefore this pulse will become, is extending from 0 to 2. You notice clearly it is extending from 0 to 2. So mention the vertical axis. So this is your, what is the signal? This is pi of t by 2 minus 1 by 2 versus t of amplitude 1. So now let us draw plus what we have to add. So we have to add pi of t minus 1. So this is 0. That means add to this scale 1. So 1 minus 1 by 2 will become 0.5. You can see that, note 0.5 here. So 0.5, this will say this is 0.5. If we add 1, it will become 1.5. So 1.5 will is somewhere here, 1.5. So this is 0.5. So this is 0.5. So this is 1.5. So this is 1.5. So the pulse, you can see that you have to draw the pulse pi of t minus 1. The answer of pi of t minus 1 is this. So shift 1 unit right side. 1 unit right side means it is extending from 0.5 to 1.5. Let us add both of them. So let us add both of them and you will get the answer. Simple addition. So step plus step is step. So let us draw. I am extending it to show it big. So 0, 0.5, 1.5, 2. So you can, during the interval, you can see you are adding these both these signals, pi of t by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus pi of t minus 1. In this interval, during this interval 0 to 0.5, its amplitude is 1, its amplitude is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So during this interval, so the amplitude of the signal is 1. The amplitude of the signal is 1. So you can see during the interval 0.5 to 1.5, 0.5 to 1.5, its amplitude is 1, its amplitude is 1. 1 plus 1 will become 2. So during this interval 0.5 to 1.5, the amplitude changes to 2. The amplitude changes to 2. So during the interval 1.5 to 2, you can see 1.5 to 2. So its amplitude is 1, its amplitude is 0. 1 plus 0, it is 1. So this is the answer. For this, you have to carefully draw pi of t by 2 minus 1 by 2. First, you know how to draw pi of t minus 1. Just add step plus step is step. So during this interval, you will get this one. During this interval 0 to 0.5 to 1.5, 1 plus 1 will become 2. So during this interval 1.5 to 2, so 1 plus 0, that step will come as 1. So this is the question number 3. Coming to question number 4. The question number 4 is based on ramp. So question number 4, r of t minus 2 into r of t minus 1 plus r of t minus 2. So first you have to identify what is the slope. The slope of this ramp is 1 plus 1. What is the row slope? Where this ramp is starting? This ramp starts at t is equal to 1 with a slope of how much slope? Minus 2, because of amplitude minus 2. So where this ramp starts? This ramp starts at t is equal to 2 with a slope of plus 1. So you can mention here plus 1. So first you have to draw like this, then it is a simple addition. As you know that ramp step plus, as I mentioned in the previous classes, step plus step is equal to step. Step plus ramp is equal to ramp. Ramp plus ramp is equal to ramp. But the slope will change depending upon the ramps. The slope of the ramp will change. So let us do the first one. So first draw, say, so this is the resultant signal. First mention the scale 0, 1 and 2. So first draw R of t. R of t is nothing but as, so its slope is 1. That means for every unit the amplitude increases by 1 unit. So when the time comes 1, the amplitude reaches by 1. So this is R of t. At t is equal to 1, there is another ramp of -2. So you have to mention here, the slope of the line is +1. Clearly mention the slope of the line +1. So at t is equal to 1, one more ramp is added with a slope of -2. So +1 -2 will become -1. So that means from t is equal to 1 onwards, there will be a ramp with a slope of -1. That means for every unit, the amplitude reduces by 1 unit. So therefore you have to draw like this. So what is the slope of this ramp? The slope of this ramp is -1. So at t is equal to 2, you can see that there is another ramp which is added of slope +1. So therefore -1 +1, slope 0. Slope 0 means straight line. So this is the answer for this problem. Just add the ramps, adding slopes, and depending upon the slopes you draw the line. So similarly, question number 5. Let us see the question number 5. Question number 5. So what is the question number 5? R of t into u of 2 minus t. 2 minus t. So first draw R of t and multiply with first draw R of t. You know how to draw R of t. So R of t is a ramp with a slope of +1. So that means for every unit the amplitude increases by 1 unit. So therefore this is R of t. This is R of t with the slope of +1. Now with what you have to multiply? You have to multiply with a unit step. We have to multiply with a unit step. U of, first you can see u of -t, that means a time reversed unit step. This time reversed unit step starts at t is equal to 2. So therefore at t is equal to 2, you have to draw a step to the left side because it is a time reversed step of amplitude 1. So this is R of t. The first one is R of t. The second one is u of -t plus 2. So if you multiply both of them, you can see that clearly ramp multiplied by 1 is ramp. Remember that ramp multiplied by 1 is ramp. So anything multiplied by 1 is the same thing. So therefore to the left side, so 0 multiplied by anything is 0. So therefore after t is equal to 2 onwards, any waveform multiplied by 0 is 0. So therefore the waveform will come only during the interval 0 to 2. During the 0 to interval there is a ramp, so which is multiplied by 1. That means the ramp will remain. So therefore how to answer this? So the answer will be so 0 to 2 you get a ramp. So this is t is equal to 2. So this is 1. So this is 1. So this is 2. So this is the answer of this is the multiplication of both of them. So this is the multiplication of both of them. So if you multiply, so this is the answer you get. This is the question number 6. What is the question number 6 given? R of -0.5 t plus 2. So this is a different case where you can see that there are three kinds of operations. First, time reversal is there, shifting is there, scaling is there. So in this case it is very important model. First do time reversal, then do shifting, time shifting. Number 3, time scaling. So this is the order you have to follow. Remember that. First do the time reversal, then shifting, and then scaling. So first what we have to draw? We have to draw R of -t. So as you know that how to draw R of -t. So r of minus t is a time reversed ramp, as I have drawn in first base. In first lectures I have shown how to draw r of minus t. So this is minus 1, minus 2, the amplitude is 1, the amplitude is 2. So draw a line like this. So this is r of minus t with a slope of plus 1. That means for every unit the slope increases by plus 1. So now we have to shift this ramp by minus t plus 2, because it is taken as minus t plus 2 is equal to 0, which means t is equal to 2. That means we have to shift the same ramp towards right by 2 units. Let us see how to do this. So let us draw this same line. So 0, 1, 2, so 1, 2. So by the time, so that where the ramp starts at t is equal to 2 towards left side. So by the time 2 to 1, the amplitude reaches by 1 unit, the amplitude increases by 1 unit. From 1 to 0, the amplitude again increases by 1 unit. So from during 0 to minus 1, the amplitude again increases by minus 1. So like that, the slope of this ramp is plus 1. We have to draw ramp like this. So next to do the third step, time scaling operation, that is divide the scale by 0.5. So divide the scale by 0.5. So divide this scale by 0.5 because of time scaling operation. So let us see this, how to draw this time scaling. So therefore, first draw the signal. So this is 0, it will become 2 now, it will become 4 now. 1 by 0.5 it will become 2, 2 by 0.5 it will become 4. So it will remain as 1 and 2. So for every, okay, so you have to draw the same ramp like this. So this is what is your signal? This is your final minus r, r of minus 0.5 t plus 2. So this is the answer for this question. Thank you. This is all about